I just made a one-of-a-kind new cold brew drink recipe. You're gonna love it so much. It's called the Savory Summer Sunrise. I called it that because it reminds me of everything that's wonderful about summer. It's slightly sweet, it's got a savory side, it's super rich, but it's very refreshing. I have put a cinnamon and sugar rimmer with a little bit of nutmeg. And so when you drink this recipe, you get cinnamon, sugar, nutmeg, the demerara, and the anise, and mix all of that together. It just screams summertime and happiness and sunshine. It's fantastic. I can't wait to share it with you. Come along, make the recipe with me. I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy. Let's get started. You're only gonna need a few things. You're going to need the ingredients that came with your cold brew kit. And those are the anise syrup and the demerara gum syrup, the cinnamon packet, and that's gonna be used to rim your cup. Very easy, I'll show you how. And then our little garnish is just cinnamon stick. You should have 2 of these in your kit if you ordered the cold brew kit by Bean Hoppers. Now, you're going to need a drinking cup. I also like to have a second cup just to mix things in because I don't like to mess up my drink rimmer. You're going to need some measuring spoons, a long-handled spoon, and a measuring cup of some sort. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna rim our drinking cup. So you take your drinking cup and you simply dip it in some water, and you're gonna dip it in the cinnamon mixture and get it really nice and coated. Next thing we do is we're just gonna throw the ice in that cup. Very easy. And I'm gonna set that drinking cup aside. I'm gonna take my small cup, and for 4 ounces, I always like to use 4 ounces of cold brew, and my syrups. It's very easy. So I'm only gonna use 1 tablespoon of the demerara gum syrup by handcrafted by Lieber & co-bottled with Bean Hoppers. And you can find this on the website too. But buy it in the kit, you'll get all the ingredients together. So use 1 tablespoon of that. It's not overly sweet, so you don't have to worry. If you want to add a little more, feel free. It's got that really rich flavor to it. I absolutely adore it. 1 tablespoon of that. And then I'm gonna only use 1 teaspoon of the Royal Rose anise syrup. It's organic syrup. Small batch crafted. Oopsie, I got a little bit too much in that, but that's okay. It's amazing. So, I'm gonna mix that up in my mixing cup. See how easy that is? And grab my drinking cup, pour that on in there, and throw a little bit of water in there. I like to use about 3 ounces of water. Now this, I'm doing this with water, and then you just stir it up a little bit gently so you don't mess up your drink or your rimmer. I like to use water with this because it makes this drink super refreshing. So easy. All you have to do is just garnish it with a cinnamon stick and you're done. And then you can drink that drink with the little cinnamon sugar rim. Oh my gosh. It's like the perfect, oh my gosh, it's so good. It's like the perfect, rich, sweet and savory flavors that you can't even put your finger on it because it's so interesting and different. You won't find this recipe anywhere else. I created this recipe myself and I want to share it with you. So make sure you get the kit from Bean Hoppers. It's got everything you need in the kit. It's got the coffee. I made this cold brew using the, what is that? The Colombian Supremos coffee and using the coffee toddy maker. You'll get the cup if you subscribe with a spoon. Every month, you're gonna get a bag of coffee and the cold brew filter. And this month, for the month of August, you're going to receive the 2 syrups, the cinnamon drink rimmer, a couple cinnamon sticks, and the recipe card. So go to beanhoppers.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my station. Share this video with your friends and enjoy your summer mornings, because this Savory Summer Sunrise is going to make you happy.